This is a forecast of the Chinese horoscope 2025 for the zodiac sign of the snake to unleash your epic year of possible breakthrough. Let's see what the wood snake has in store for you in 2025, shall we? So, according to the solar calendar, on the night of the 3rd to the 4th of February, the wood dragon handed over the scepter to the wood snake. And again this year, the strong wood emphasizes opportunities. And depending on what the wood element means to your personal BaZi, this is where the opportunities wait for you. You see, the snake's fire is not like a flash in the pan, and it's more like a slow and steady fire, like a candle. And the probably biggest difference between the dragon and the snake is the dragon always wanted things to change quickly. The snake takes its time, wants to go deeper into the subject, and doesn't want to stay skin deep. So that might be a big change in energy this year, and you probably are already aware of it. And it's going to be a different year, hopefully. So goals may be reached more slowly than in the last year, but they will be more sustainable. Personal development with energy is still on top of everything. So let's have a look at the general characteristics of the zodiac sign at hand, which is the snake. If I had to put it into one word, it probably would be wise. Snake people can appear very shrewd and often achieve success through their wits. They are wise and intense with a tendency towards physical beauty. They love shiny objects. Snake people are discreet, restrained, and refined. They never come across as pushy and instead get their way through subtle manipulation sometimes. They are cautious and intelligent, and they possess analytical minds. But they often have also a well-developed gut instinct. There's an air of elegance and magnetism about snakes. They make them very attractive. So they're quite aware of their appeal and thus can be rather vain at times and high-tempered. Snakes enjoy flirting a lot, but when it comes to their partners, they are often possessive. So watch out for those traits that they don't are overbearing in your personality. So if we look at the outlook for the snake in 2024 or 5, sorry. Again, not taking into account what those elements mean to you personally within your BaZi, just some general advice how you can use this year in relation to this zodiac sign. You are a snake if you're born in the years 1953, 65, 77, 89, 2001, and 2013. Please be aware that we use a different calendar in this case. Generally speaking, if you are born before the 4th of February, you are possibly belonging to the year before. The snake also governs most of May and the hours between 9 and 11 o'clock in the morning. And if you don't remember what each pillar stands for to go deeper, there will be a link in my videos about exactly that down in the notes, a series that I did about each pillar, the year, the month, the day, and the hour pillar. So the snake and its stars this year. I mean, obviously, you are the Grand Duke. And that, of course, elevates your status as a snake because you are the one and only true Grand Duke. So, opposed to other ones like the dragon, the horse, the pig, and the rooster, who have a self-punishment in their own years, and all other animals are just a normal Grand Duke arrival. But you are the true Grand Duke. You are second to the Emperor star. And of course, always that comes with a challenge, won't it? Important people are only important if they make important decisions. So this year, you have the chance to have a breakthrough and very important life transformation. But that comes, of course, with very important life transformation decisions. So you need to take time to accumulate information to make these decisions. Maybe last year you already received some more information and you didn't quite know what to do with it. And this year you will know what to do. So dig deeper. You will have helpers this year. So it's amazing. You have heavenly relief, which is the elimination of a problem. So if a problem comes up, you will know what to do, or you will get sent a mentor, a Tai Chi nobleman, gifted in spiritual matters. Really, this will have, you've got so many helpers. You've got the golden carriage for your success. So all those good stars, use them. You are at a pivotal stage of your career. Make that decision. but make it informed and make it, again, I said in the very beginning, this is not a year of like that. Snake is slower. Don't just burn bridges or something like that. No. Make that decision well informed. Feel into the energies. You've got a really good gut feeling. So feel into the energies and slide into it. Slide into it. You also have a scholar star this year. So you can learn new stuff, education, studying, learn something. Maybe that helps you make better decisions. Maybe that helps you finding out what it is that you really, really want. And let me have a look at the months that where this will actually happen more easily than in others. I mean, the whole year, it's a fire snake year. So we have a good year for you. As I said in the very beginning, you are the true Grand Duke. This is your year. Light shines on you. Make the most of it. I mean, you love the spotlight usually, dear snake, don't you? So in May is your month. So your month in May. So May will be a month where you may want to really break one or the other decision. So build up to that. Use the month before May to make all the information. Feel into the field. Feel into how it goes at the moment. Feel into what is possible for you. And May might be then the time where it becomes more obvious and you may want to make a decision. In August, you have a combination with the monkey. It's the August month. So most of the stuff will then happen in the second half of the year. But May is really pivotal for you to make a decision or to build up for it and make a plan for later in the year. So August, the monkey month, this is where you can take action. September, you have a 3 combination with the ox and the rooster, which is the month of the rooster. So we're looking at ox days for that month. In November is the pig month. That's a clash with you. So this is where the change possibly happens. And as I always say, change or be changed. Prepare everything to come up with the help in September and the help, all of those helpers that you have. To really, November will be the last stage where you really, really need to, to embrace the change, to welcome it. Maybe it's just maybe you already changed through a year and November will bring just a little tick of the change again, but it will be there. Something will be changing. And then in January, we're having Ox month. This is where you have a combination together with the rooster and the snake. So we're looking at Rooster Days. So, dear snake, this is an awesome year. It's really good. It will go well. If you feel it's not going well, then seek more advice from the helpers, from the mentors that you're having. Learn something more about that and really go into it. This is your year. The Grand Duke, woohoo! You can achieve nearly everything this year because only you are the true Grand Duke. But yes, of course, there is a but. Similar to the horse, similar to some others, this year you have to use your energy wisely. You need to make some big decisions. The question is, do you want to transform? Do you want to become even greater? Get the information you need and then decide. It is time to do so. You have so many good stars this year, seriously. If not now, when then? And if you feel you still need to learn something, you're not quite ready, same answer. Now. Yes. I love your stars, dear snake. This is your year. And now that you know that you have 4 pillars of destiny, the year, the month, the day, and the hour, what are the other animals in your BaZi? Make sure you watch those videos as well to get the full picture of how 2025 will pan out for you. Or simply ask me in the comments down here. And if you liked what you heard and saw, tell your friends, comment, like, and all that. You know what to do. Have a fabulous day, an awesome year, dear snake. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.